Introducing the new Mi Smart Router 4C for smooth video streaming and seamless web browsing. It comes with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 16 MB ROM, NOR flash and with up to 300 Mbps speed. It has 4 high-performance antennas for better speed and coverage. You can now improve your network speed with Wi-Fi optimization and can control your network from anywhere, anytime with the help of Mi Wi-Fi app. Its QoS, quality of service, manage and allocate bandwidth as per activity requirements. It is suitable for 2 to 4 devices. Reception sensitivity 11 Mbps, less than or equal to -85 dBm, 54 Mbps, less than or equal to -72 dBm, HD20 MCS7, less than or equal to -69 dBm, HD40 MCS7, less than or equal to -66 dBm. It is iOS and Android compatible and also allows parental control, control time on internet and content on connected devices. It covers up to 400 square feet and its model number R4CM and model year 2020. The mounting hardware that is available inside the package is a router, adapter and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.